In this video, we are going to explore multi-stage Docker builds. We'll learn how to create smaller production images using this powerful technique. Let's first understand the problem that multi-stage builds solve. Traditional Docker images often include all the build dependencies in the final production image. This can lead to very large image sizes, typically 2 GB or more. So, what exactly are multi-stage builds? It is a technique that uses multiple from statements in a single Dockerfile to create separate build stages. Only the necessary artifacts are then copied to the final image. This helps in keeping the final image lean and small. Let's take a look at a traditional single-stage Dockerfile. The Dockerfile starts from a base image, for example, Python 3.9. Then it sets the working directory, copies the requirements file, installs the dependencies using the pip install command, then copies the application code, and finally defines the command to run the application. Now let us examine a multi-stage build example. Here the Dockerfile is split into 2 stages. The first stage, named Builder, uses a Python 3.9 image. It installs the dependencies similar to the single-stage build. In the second stage, a slim version of Python 3.9 is used. It then copies only the installed dependencies from the Builder stage, along with the application code. This results in a much smaller final image. The first key benefit is smaller images. Multi-stage builds can reduce the final image size by 60 to 80%. The second key benefit is improved security. Multi-stage builds exclude build tools from production images, reducing potential security vulnerabilities. Here are a couple of best practices to keep in mind. First, use specific base images for each stage. This ensures consistency and reduces the risk of unexpected issues. Second, name your stages using the AS keyword, for better clarity and organization within the Dockerfile. In summary, multi-stage builds enable the creation of smaller, more secure Docker images by separating the build and runtime environments. By adopting multi-stage builds, you can start building smarter containers today. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.